Yo, AutoAce fam! If you're looking for a scooter that mixes retro styling, modern tech, and daily usability, the Kymco Like 150i is one of the more interesting picks in 2025 and 2026. But what exactly makes it stand out in a crowded 150cc scooter segment? Let's break it down. Kymco Like 150i ABS, SRP 129,500 in the Philippines. Kymco Like 150i Nudoi, higher trim with smart features, SRP 139,900 pesos. It's sold in ABS and Nudoi variants. So, you get a retro-themed scooter with modern extras at those price points. Engine 150cc SOHC 4-valve air-cooled single-cylinder. Power and torque 13.3 horsepower at 9,000 RPM and 12.5 Nm at 6.5 RPM. Fuel system, fuel injection. Transmission, CVT automatic. Fuel tank, 7 liters. Claimed fuel consumption, 36.1 kilometers per liter. So, performance is not about raw power, but about balanced delivery and daily usability. Seat height 770mm. Curb or dry weight is at 115 kg. Dimensions: wheels and tires 12-inch rims. Front is at 110/70-12. Rear is at 130/70-12. Suspension: telescopic front fork plus dual rear shock absorbers with preload adjustment. Brakes and safety: both front and rear disc brakes with dual-channel Bosch ABS as standard on ABS and no-dewey variants. Riding this is expected to be stable and comfortable, especially in traffic and city roads. Retro-futuristic styling. The Like 150i has a nostalgic scooter silhouette. Curves, round headlamp, vintage cues, but with modern details like LED lighting. LED headlamp and tail lamp. Fully digital instrument panel. On no-dewey variant, connectivity with smartphone for navigation and alerts. Glove box with lock plus USB charging port for convenience. ABS standard in ABS and no-dewey variants, rare in its class. These features give the Like 150i an edge versus plain commuter scooters. Pros: unique style. If you like retro scooters but want modern performance, this hits that niche. Safety is taken seriously. Dual disc with ABS is a big plus in its segment. Smart features. No-DUI connectivity and digital instrument panel are impressive additions. Compact but stable. The 12-inch wheels plus chassis design helps balance agility and comfort. Reasonable price for premium features. The ABS variant under 130K is compelling. Power is modest. 13.3 horsepower is not a performance benchmark. Highway overtakes will feel tame. Seat height and ergonomics. 770mm is okay for many, but might feel tall for shorter riders. Fuel consumption in real use may be lower than claimed in heavy traffic. Limited parts or service network compared to big brands like Honda and Yamaha. Is it worth it? If I were buying today, here's how I see it. The Kymco Like 150i stands out because it bridges style, tech, and safety, not just brute specs. It's perfect for riders who value character and daily comfort over raw power. For city use, short highway stints and scooting around urban settings, it's a solid pick. It may not replace a performance bike, but as a premium commuter with personality, it's well worth considering. AutoAce fam, would you pick the Like 150i over other 150cc scooters like Aerox, Click, and others? Drop your preference in the comments. If this review helped you see what makes it special, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more scooter deep dives. Ride safe, ride smart. Thanks for watching.